G'day mates, I'm Jade.
I'm Shireen,
and we're in the tropical rainforest.
Here in the rainforest, it precipitates 60 to 160 inches per year, and that's 150 to 400 centimeters every year.
The world's largest tropical rainforests are in South America, Southeast Asia, Africa, and Australia.
Alternative names to the tropical rainforest are rainforest, jungle, tropical woods.
it's nighttime in the rainforest. You can hear all the frogs and birds.
And quail.
Quail.
The temperature in a rainforest rarely gets higher than 93 degrees Fahrenheit, which is also 34 degrees Celsius. It doesn't drop below 68 degrees Fahrenheit, which is also 20 degrees Celsius.
Contrary to popular belief, the soil quality in the rainforest is quite poor due to erosion and water washing away all the nutrients. However, there's a thin layer of organic matter that's on the surface.
Listen to the birds.
Get a load of this.
They're quail, native to the tropical rainforest.
Bloody hell!
Get a load of this mighty python slithering through the
rainforest.
Or the blue poison frogs. They're poisonous to the touch and can kill a grown man. This is the golden poison frog, another extremely deadly creature native to the tropical rainforest.
This is a cacao tree. It's native to Central and South America. You can find your local hot cacao. Look at those cacao nuts. Bloody hell.
This is the African oil palm. It's native to Central Africa and is used for palm oil. This is the rattan palm. It's really handy for outdoor furniture and other crafts. Look at these gnarly spikes. Listen to the quail.
It's a beautiful night in the rainforest.
Somewhere out there, I think I hear a herd of elephants, perhaps.
Oh, bloody
crikey.
hell.
Our beautiful flora. Oh, this natural wildlife. That's a banana tree right there. Oh, look, this right in front of you is a banana tree.
Beautiful.
I don't see any bananas, but it's a beautiful specimen. Wow.
Jenny, where are you?
I'm in the tropical rainforest.
Thanks for watching. I hope you learned a lot about the tropical rainforest.
Why is it snowing and glowing in the rainforest? Climate change is real. In my rainforest?
What? This hot cacao is terrible.
In the tropical rainforest.
The temperature in the rainforest rarely gets higher than...
Listen to the birds.
Oh my god.
Keep going.
Are you on?
Get a load of Jenny. Where are you?
I'm in the tropical rainforest.
I'm good.